Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 78. IREONA. IREONA. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is is, second syllable is o, and the third syllable is na. Pronounce it with me. IREONA. IREONA. The word IREONA is used to say wake up or get up. Again, IREONA is used to say wake up or get up. Now, how do we write IREONA in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable, il, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyong, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable, o, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyong, followed by the o character. And then for the last syllable na, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an a character. And then, we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word IREONA. Again, we have here the hangul for il, the hangul for o, and the hangul for na. And in order to write IREONA in hangul, we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables. And that's how you write IREONA in hangul. And with that, you've just learned IREONA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 68 to 77. But don't forget our word for today, word number 78, IREONA. This is used to say wake up or get up. The first word for our review is oda. This is a verb which means to come. Next word for our review is onje, and this is used to ask when. The next word for our review is nuna. This is a term for sister, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is onni. This is another term for sister, but this time this is used by a younger sister. Next word is hyung. This is a term for brother, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother, but this is used by a younger sister. Next word is omoni, and this is a Korean term for mother. Next word is aboji. This is a Korean term for father. Next word is na중에. This is an adverb of time which means later. And the last word for our review is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.